In this presentation, I'm going to go ahead and show you the physical report. The report of the same thing which we were discussing in the previous presentation, all about KPIs and how we can generate the report. Why the reports are necessary? Because if you don't know how to, where are you lacking, then how would you improve yourself? How would you increase your conversions if you even don't know where are you lacking? Suppose there is an example. You know, if a doctor does not know what's your problem and what's your illness, would he be able to cure you? Definitely not. He would try everything, but trying everything is not a solution, right? It may be possible that whatever your health issue is, it may get more serious just because of trying everything. Similarly goes with your reports as well. If you're trying everything, it may possible that it may result your down, right? So letting know about this, that where are we lacking, so that we can go ahead and improve on it. And if we are able to see and judge it, that okay, these are the points where we need to discuss, where we need to thought about this one, so yeah, we can improve on it. So that's why we have the physical reports. Now let's go ahead and see where we can find it. So I'm going to campaigns. Inside the campaigns, we have, look at this. This is a kind of a report: a budget, status, optimization score, campaign type, average CPP, average CPM, cost, impressions, interact rate, average cost, and so many things are there. If you look at this, there's the columns. These are the columns. These are the selected one which you can see in, right here. Whatever you were seeing over here, that has been chosen. If I cross everything over from here, suppose I have not chosen anything, and then I hit on Google's, and then I hit on campaigns, and now let's refresh this one. It would show the default one. Look at this. Just wait for a couple of seconds. These are the default one, right? But what I can do is, there are reports, and there are search. These are our campaigns. Then we have segments. We can check them according to our time, according to the month, quarter, whatever you like hour of the day or week or month or quarter or year of the day of the week. Then we have click type. When we have conversions, which kind of conversions do you want to see? When we have devices, we have network, top versus others, ad destinations. We can sort through any of the things. But as of now, we get in the columns, and then we have recommended columns with us: optimization score and bid strategy type. Then we have viewability. Where do you want to, whichever thing you want to see, just check it off, and then you will be able to see everything. Then we have performance. In the performance, suppose I don't want to see interactions, but I want to see engagements. So now look at this. There must be the engagement columns, right? And suppose in the viewability, I want to see viewable impressions. I also want to see in the conversions, I want to see instead of conversion rate, I want to see conversion value plus cost. I also want to see the orders. That's what I'm saying. And I want to see the installs, budget simulator, like recommended budget, east ad interactions, whatever you like, you can see. Then we have in the attributions, we have conversions, current model, cost of conversions, cost per conversion, current model, everything you have. If you want to add it, you can add it. Why do we create these reports? We can create so many reports, whatever you like, and then you can choose any of them, and then you can get the print of it. Just like, suppose in the change history, I want to see the keyword changes. Then suppose in the custom columns, I have plus custom columns, and I can add so many columns over here. I'll let you know about this in the later on videos. But now suppose I wanna save all of these things. I would say save your column set, and I wanna name it. I would say new report, and save and apply. Now look at this. Average CPM, cost, impressions, average cost, conversions, engagement is there. And now look at this. Previously, I don't have the scroll bar because that time I don't have that much of columns. But now I have a lot of columns and I have a lot of data. As of now, this is not an active account. This is just a dummy account. That's why I'm not able to show you the values over here. But if you try with this with your active account, then definitely you're gonna see instead of zeros, you'll see your values over here. Then you can download the your report from here. If you want to expand it, this is how you can expand it, and that's a good thing. Collapse it. Suppose more and the more. I have upload. If you want to upload your report somewhere, then you can do it. Then we have create an automated rule. Then in the report, suppose I have in the other, from where you can select this a moment. Give me one second. So suppose if I want to choose my report, where is my report? So suppose I go for columns and there is my new report and this is my new report. Suppose I create a new one, modify columns, and suppose this time I add this, just to let you know how we can do this. And in the attribution, I can do this, that's it. And I'll say save your column set, and this is report 2. And I save and apply. As if now, which is the report? Let's check it. Columns. This is report 2. And if I go for new report, and this is my new report 1. And this is how you can choose your own report. And second thing, you can also choose it the campaign wise. Suppose I go for search, I go for beauty. So it would show you according to my campaign. Then in the search, there is ad groups, right? If I go back, if I go to all campaigns, and I can search with any of the things. Then in the segments, I can search it through conversions, device, ad destinations, none, time, everything. And you can download it. In the more options, we have paste, create an automated rule, as I have discussed in the. But you know what? You don't need to look each and everything in detail. As if now I have added so many columns, as you know. In the reports, in the columns, I have added so many reports, I guess. Look at this. But you know what? You don't need to look each and every report, each and every column. Just focus on those things which I have let you know in the previous presentations. Just look at those numbers. Leave everything, because if you'll see more and more options, you'll get confused. You would be seeing that how could be possible. I mean, how can I improve on this? How can I improve? Leave that. Whatever I have suggested, you focus on that thing first, and trust me, you will get effective result, because that's my personal experience, right? So go for this one, and yeah, that's it for now, and I'll see you in the next lesson.